Hi, and welcome to Conestoga College. My name is Crystal Brown, and I am the chair of the Language Institute here. And we invite you to come and study here in our English for Academic Studies program. Within the program, you will do listening, speaking, reading, writing, pronunciation, and learn about our Canadian culture, which the students tell us, fantastic. They really learn a lot and prepares them for their next stage in the program. So I welcome you, and if you have any questions, please definitely let us know. Thank you.